Welcome to ResumeUp.AI, your ultimate partner in creating job-winning resumes. Let's explore how to build an ATS-friendly resume with AI. We have two options: build a new resume or upload an existing resume. Let's select Build New Resume. Next, fill in all the required information. Did you know that around 70% of resumes are rejected at the initial stage because they're not ATS-friendly or aren't tailored to the job description? With ResumeUp.AI, you can make your resume stand out by tailoring it according to the job description. To help you with this, we also provide a job description section to guide you through the process. Now, you can choose from over 20 professional resume templates, including ATS-friendly, modern layouts, and visually rich designs. For now, let's select the ATS-friendly template. Now enter all the required information. On the right side, we can see our resume is getting prepared instantly. Also here we have AI Writer. With these, we can enhance our information with action verbs and relevant keywords, which is very important to make our resume stand out. After entering all the information, this is how our resume looks. Likewise, we can also build a resume quickly by simply chatting with ResumeGPT. Here, you can see how easy it is to create a professional resume through guided conversation. We can change compactness of resume according to our preference and also change the template and its colors anytime if we want. You can see here. Let's go ahead and select this one. That's it. Now comes the most important part: checking the ATS score of our resume. The Resume Analyzer carefully reviews each section of the resume and highlights any mistakes or areas for improvement. Here, we have a detailed section-wise analysis. First, we have the standard section presence analysis, where the tool checks if essential sections like personal information, summary, education, skills, and work experience are present and properly structured. Next, job description analysis. This process focuses on two critical areas to enhance your resume's ATS score. Requirement matching ensures that your education, years of experience, and relevant certifications meet the job's specific requirements. Keyword analysis makes sure your resume includes essential skills and keywords from the job description, like technical abilities and tools. These aspects are vital for boosting your resume's ATS score. Then we have the section analysis, where the tool suggests improvements to make the resume stronger. For example, it's showing that our email format isn't professional enough. Let's modify our email and reanalyze the section. Great! Now our email format is correct. This process helps identify any mistakes or areas of improvement so that the ATS score improves, leading to a more effective resume. ResumeUp.AI also offers multiple features beyond resume building. ResumeGPT. We can prepare our resume simply by chatting. You can generate cover letters with AI, resignation letters, and even track job applications, all with AI assistance. So, what are you waiting for? Explore ResumeUp.AI today and take your resume to the next level.
Welcome to ResumeUp.AI, your ultimate partner in creating job-winning resumes. Let's explore one of our most key features: how to instantly convert your professional LinkedIn profile into a polished, ATS-friendly resume in just a few clicks. To get started, click on the Convert to Resume option on the dashboard. You'll be prompted to add the ResumeUp Chrome extension. Simply click Add to Chrome and click on the extension. It will head over to your LinkedIn profile. On the right side, you'll see the ResumeUp.AI icon. Click on it. You'll immediately see your LinkedIn profile score, which is generated by analyzing key sections like your profile picture, profile content, work experience, education, and more. Now click on Build Resume. As you can see, ResumeUp.AI automatically extracts all the information from your LinkedIn profile, saving you the hassle of entering everything manually. Before we move forward, it's crucial to tailor your resume to a specific job description, because most resumes get rejected in the ATS screening phase for not being relevant enough. So go ahead and paste the job description here. ResumeUp.AI will now help align your resume perfectly to the role. Next, you can enter any missing details using our AI Resume Writer or ResumeUp GPT, where you can simply chat and get your content created in minutes. Once the details are filled in, you can adjust the compactness of the resume. We can choose colors and even change resume templates and can select one among from multiple professional templates. Pick the one that suits your style and industry. Now, before you download your resume, let's run it through the resume analyzer to check your ATS score. This step is key to ensuring your resume passes the initial screening. The analyzer breaks down the feedback into 3 sections. Job description also plays a crucial role here. First, we have the standard section presence, where it verifies whether all the necessary sections, personal info, summary, education, skills, and work experience, are present. Then we have the job description analysis, which consists of requirement matching and keyword analysis. Requirement matching checks if your qualifications, job title, experience, and certifications align with the job description. Keyword analysis ensures that all the essential technical skills, tools, and keywords from the job description are reflected in your resume. In our case, we see one minor issue. Some important keyword like robust software solutions didn't appear. So let's quickly fix this with the help of the AI writer. Once updated, we reanalyze our resume. Great. Now we have a perfect 100 ATS score. Finally, the section analysis takes one last look at specific resume parts, like personal information, summary, work experience, education, and skills, to ensure everything aligns with the job description. In our case, everything looks perfect. Now just click Download Resume, and you're all set. That's how simple it is to turn your LinkedIn profile into a professional, tailored resume using ResumeUp.AI. So what are you waiting for? Try it out today and take the first step toward landing your dream job.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.